Take a look at this new member of your family. Enjoy how beautiful the gemstones are. Count how many gemstones lie between their symbiotic stones. So here's the symbiotics in the front. Let's see, this one has a symbiotic right in the front. This is Heart Song. It's Morganite, White Beryl, and then Rhodonite in the back. Identify all the different stones in your necklace. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gemstones between each symbiotic. So look closely at each gemstone also, and notice which ones may be a little different than the others. Even though we have very high quality standards and take great pains to remove the non-therapeutic beads, you are going to have gemstones that look a little different because they are different. They're natural. They're made by Mother Earth herself. Each one, even though from a distance they may look identical, they're going to be unique in some way. So when you're finished looking at the individual stones, refocus again on the necklace as a whole. Sit back and just enjoy the beauty of the necklace. Receive this beauty. Let it come in through your eyes. Try listening to the sound of the gems. Some people can do that. Some people have the auditory refinement needed to sense the difference in the sound waves. As they very subtly connect with the eardrum, these individuals can recognize a change in sensation when the gems are near them or near their ears. So find out if you're one of these people who has this special gift. Spend some time just appreciating the beauty and the uniqueness of this new member of your gemstone family.